If you ever had an issue with your plumbing backing up or not being able to flush your toilet, this video is for you. I have the solution that's going to solve your problem. Hi, everyone. Today I want to talk to you about this product I've been using for about 5 years now. It's the Green Gobbler Septic Savior. This product, I've never had a septic backup. My septic system still works like new, and I give a lot of credit to this product. What is this Green Gobbler septic system? It's designed to support and help maintain a healthy septic system by delivering beneficial bacteria and enzymes that break down organic waste before it becomes a problem. These products help digest materials that otherwise slow down your system and contribute to backups and odors. Now, here are some of the most common Green Gobbler products that's out there. You could get the Green Gobbler pods. Now, these are the pre-measured pods containing natural bacteria and probiotics. These are the most popular way to treat your system. It's super easy to use and it's safe for all pipes and septic systems. Now they have a liquid form of this that treats up to 1,500 gallons for about 2 months. And this is a natural enzymes that liquefy greasy fats, papers, and organic buildups. They also have a powder form of this. Now this powder formula, it releases bacteria from enzymes to digest waste and to help prevent clogs and backups. You could choose the pods, liquid, or powder, depending on how you prefer to apply it. They're all safe for septic systems, pipes, plumbings, but you use them as they're directed. Now, this is how it works. These products, they rely on beneficial bacteria and natural enzymes that break down organic material like toilet paper, fats, grease, starches, proteins, but it helps reduce backups, overflows, and foul odors. It supports the natural biological activity in your septic tank, and it helped neutralize the negative effects of bleach detergents on septic bacteria. These things are environmentally friendly, they're biodegradable, and they're free from harsh chemicals like bleach and sodium hydroxide. So the typical routine for most people to follow is what I've used for years. I put one pod per month in my main toilet floor drain, and then I flush it. If you're using liquid, you pour half the bottle into the toilet and flush once a month. Now, I follow a once a month schedule religiously, and that consistency is the key that keeps the bacteria thriving and prevents organic buildup and from the septic ever becoming a problem. Here are the benefits you'll get of using this. You'll have no backups or slow drains. In my experience, consistent use has prevented every major issue. Less odors and fewer clogs. It reduces costly septic repairs, supports natural septic tank biology. They're easy, no mess, no maintenance, no measuring, no mixing pods. Simply pour the liquid or measure the powder. If this video has helped you or is going to help you save money in the long run, do me a favor and hit that like button and leave a comment if you've been using this product and if it's been working for you just as it's worked for me. If you are new to this channel, please consider becoming a subscriber so that you never miss any new DIY tips or tricks. Thank you for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.